Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you're new. Hello everyone, hope you're all doing well, and thank you for tuning into Moose Motion. This video will be working on SCP-323, or also known as the Wendigo or Skinwalker. Now, as a Canadian, he is probably, well, my personal favorite SCP. There isn't too many cool folklores in Canada, unfortunately, and, well, if you are aware of any other ones that are really cool, let me know in the comment section below, because it'd be kind of cool to make more SCPs from Canada. And, well, let's be honest, he's creepy as all hell, so that's kind of why he's one of my personal favorites. Now, I'm sure there's a few of you going, what the heck is going on here? He's drawing. Well, unfortunately, I smashed my tablet not that long ago, which is what I generally use for reference photos a lot of the time. So I decided to pick up a pencil, which is something I haven't done for quite some time, and actually I was quite satisfied with how it turned out. It was definitely a lot of fun. It took a little bit longer than expected, but I figured it would be at least a cool intro to kind of give you an idea as to what I would like to build in the 3D render. I also have a couple custom car concepts that I have also hand-drawn by myself, so I was kind of thinking that maybe at some point I could draw one of those or redo the sketch because, well, they're from several years back, they're a little rough. And it'd be kind of cool to make a 3D version of the car itself because that's actually how cars are made in the real world. They're actually sculpted from clay before they actually hit the production line. As always, if you enjoy the video, be sure to smash that like button, leave a comment in the comment section below what you think, or perhaps what you would like to see on the next SCP project. And if you're new, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss part 2, which will be coming next week of the Wendigo project. And if you're already a subscriber, be sure to have post notifications turned on so you don't miss any of my new episodes. Anyways, that's enough from me. Till next time, take it easy. I will see you at the end of the episode. And there we are. We have the basic frame all complete. He is just a skeleton of a Wendigo at the moment, but it is definitely a good foundation. Be sure to join in next week where we'll be adding more clay, actual plaster scene, and working on the detail of the skull. Till next time, take it easy. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you're new, and if you'd like more content, check the links in the post description below. Anyways, that's enough from me. Till next time, take it easy.